Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you 8 passive income ideas that you can start today to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. These ideas are based on investing, asset building, and asset sharing. But before we dive into the details, let me explain what passive income is. Passive income is money that you earn with little or no ongoing effort. It means that you can create something once and then earn money from it repeatedly, even when you are not working on it. For example, if you write an ebook and sell it online, you can earn passive income from the sales every time someone buys your book. Now that you know what passive income is, let's look at some of the best passive income ideas for 2023. Number 1. Investing. Investing is one of the most popular and effective ways to generate passive income. You can invest in various assets such as stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, real estate, or cryptocurrencies and earn dividends, interest, or capital gains over time. The key to successful investing is to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and be patient. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. You can use platforms like Robinhood, Acorns, or Stash to invest with as little as $5. Investing can be tricky, so make sure you understand each investment option's risks and rewards before investing, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Number 2. Real estate. Real estate is another popular and lucrative way to generate passive income. You can buy or rent out properties and earn rental income or appreciation over time. You can also invest in real estate without owning or managing any properties. You can use platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or CrowdStreet to invest in real estate crowdfunding projects and earn passive income from the profits of the projects. Real estate investing requires a lot of capital, knowledge, and experience. You also have to deal with market fluctuations, taxes, maintenance, and tenants. So make sure you do your due diligence and consult a professional before you invest in real estate. Number 3. Online businesses. Online businesses are another great way to generate passive income. You can create and sell digital products or services online and earn money from sales or subscriptions. Some examples of online businesses are e-commerce. You can sell physical or digital products online using platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. You can also use dropshipping or print-on-demand services to avoid handling inventory or shipping. Blogging. You can create a blog on a topic you are passionate about and monetize it with ads, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or selling your products or services. Podcasting. You can create a podcast on a topic you're interested in and monetize it with ads, sponsorships, donations, or selling your products or services. YouTube. You can create a YouTube channel on a niche you are good at and monetize it with ads, sponsorships, merchandise, or selling your products or services. Online courses. You can create and sell online courses on a skill you have or a topic you know well using platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. Ebooks. You can write and sell ebooks on a topic you are knowledgeable about using platforms like Amazon Kindle, Kobo, or Smashwords. Online businesses require a lot of time, effort, and creativity to create and market. You also have to deal with competition, customer service, and technical issues. So make sure you have a clear vision, a unique value proposition, and a solid marketing strategy for your online business. Number 4. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay regular dividends to their shareholders. Dividends are payments that companies make to their shareholders from their profits. Dividend stocks are a great way to generate passive income because you can earn money without selling your stocks. You can also reinvest your dividends to buy more stocks and increase your income over time. You can find dividend stocks by looking at their dividend yield, dividend history, dividend growth rate, payout ratio, and financial performance. You can also use platforms like Dividend.com, Seeking Alpha, or Simply Safe Dividends to research and analyze dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are not risk-free. They can fluctuate in price, cut or suspend their dividends, or go bankrupt. So make sure you diversify your portfolio, invest in quality companies, and monitor your stocks regularly. Number 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a form of lending where you lend money to other people or businesses online and earn interest from the repayments. You can use platforms like Lending Club, Prosper, or Funding Circle to find and lend money to borrowers who need money for various purposes, such as debt reconsolidation, home improvement, or business expansion. Peer-to-peer lending can be a good way to generate passive income because you can earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts or bonds. You can also diversify your portfolio by lending to different borrowers with different risk profiles and interest rates. Peer-to-peer lending can be risky too. You can lose your money if the borrower defaults on their payments or the platform goes out of business. So make sure you understand the risks and fees involved. Check the creditworthiness of the borrowers and only lend what you can afford to lose. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a form of marketing where you promote other people's or companies' products or services online and earn a commission for each sale or action you generate. You can use platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale to find and join affiliate programs that match your niche and audience. You can also use tools like WordPress, MailChimp, or Canva to create and manage your website, email list, and graphics. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to generate passive income because you don't have to create or deliver any products or services yourself. You just have to drive traffic to your website or social media platforms and convert them into customers. Affiliate marketing can be challenging too. You have to compete with other affiliates, follow the rules and regulations of the affiliate programs, and provide value to your audience. So make sure you have a niche, a target market, and a content strategy for your affiliate marketing business. Number 7. Mobile apps. Mobile apps are applications that run on mobile devices, such as smartphones or tablets. You can create and sell mobile apps on various platforms such as iOS, Android, or Windows Phone and earn money from downloads, in-app purchases, ads, or subscriptions. You can use tools like AppyPie, Thunkable, or Buildfire to create mobile apps without coding. You can also hire developers or freelancers to create mobile apps for you. Mobile apps can be a profitable way to generate passive income because you can reach a large and growing market of mobile users. You can also update your apps regularly and add new features or functionalities to increase your revenue. Mobile apps can be costly and time-consuming to create and maintain. You also have to deal with competition, user feedback, app store policies, and technical issues. So make sure you have a unique idea, a user-friendly design, and a marketing plan for your mobile app. Number 8. Royalties. Royalties are payments that you receive for allowing someone else to use your intellectual property, such as music, art, books, patents, or trademarks. You can create and sell your intellectual property online using platforms like SoundCloud, Shutterstock, Amazon KDP, InventHelp, or LegalZoom. You can also license your intellectual property to other people or companies who want to use it for their purposes. Royalties can be a passive way to generate income because you don't have to do anything after you create and sell your intellectual property. You just have to collect your payments whenever someone uses it. Royalties can be variable and unpredictable. They depend on the demand and popularity of your intellectual property, the terms and conditions of your agreement, and the royalty rate that you negotiate. So make sure you protect your intellectual property rights, choose the right platform and partner, and negotiate the best deal for yourself. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.